Good day everyone. My name is General Behavior, 17 years of age, and I'm from Pasang Cabandos, General Trias, Cavite. My hobby is watching animes like Hunter x Hunter, Haikyuu, and Hajime no Ippo. My talents or skills is to play my favorite sports like volleyball and table tennis. But let me show you how I play table tennis. And now, this is how I play volleyball.
And Dr. B, may meeting daw po.
Galingan mo, te.
Service by number 30. Pinalo. Kinuha na 7. Sabi na natin na. Hero ka na.
Yes! Diyan ka na lang, te! Hindi ka na maasim kapag nagawa mo yan.
Number 30. Pinalo. Kinuha na 7. This is 8. Pinalo 7.
Nako! Tinitigan ko!
And of course, other than playing table tennis and watching animes, I also do here inside our home cooking and washing our dishes. And that's me when it comes to hobbies and skills. But when it comes to food, my favorite thing to eat is fried chicken, spag, and carbonara. When it comes to games like COD, Call of Duty, and Mobile Legends. Bye!